Hi guys, Frugal Guy here. I am filming this on my phone that I use every day for my cell phone. The other phone I've ordered a battery for, so because the battery's getting too hot in it. So anyway, it might be a little less clear, so bear with me. But I did something. Whoa, what'd that do? Whoa, look at that. Look, I can make stuff move just by doing this. Okay, I gotta stop. I'm not touching anything. It's just like, look, let's make it. Okay, stop it. I'll be playing around with that now. Okay, never mind. Anyway, I did something different. I ordered this package of jewelry from Etsy. And what it was it was listed as junk jewelry, like for repurposing and to make other jewelry. So it was $2.99 was how much it was, and then you paid for the small flat rate box, which I think was $5.75. I would read you what the listing said, but it's on that phone. Oh, look, I can't do that. It makes everything jump. I'm sorry, I'm making you sick. Anyway, I don't know why it's doing that. But anyway, so I got this out of my P.O. box, and I went back to the car, and I handed it to my mom, and she's like, this box stinks. And I said, what? And I got it back from her. It stinks, guys. It's like you can smell the musty, nasty jewelry in it, so we're gonna have an interesting time here. So let me put you on pause, and I'll get this. I don't know why that's unstable like that. Let me get this open. I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. I got it open, but because it's so yucky, stinky, I'm sorry for that doing that. I don't know why it's doing that. I guess the autofocus is doing that. But anyway, since it's so stinky, I have a feeling this is going to be like really dirty. So we got my work gloves here, which I use to like take the trash down to the road. And you might think I'm silly, but I am. If I get in here and this is so gross that it makes my hands itch or something, we're going to put the gloves on, okay? So let's open it. Ooh, here we go. Doesn't look too junky right now to me. Looks pretty decent. Let me pull you back a little bit and push the camera down. So that's what we've got. Huh. Looks like some metal earrings in there. Alright, what do we want to pull out of here? This is just a nice necklace. Why is it doing that? Boy, this is why they're calling it junk jewelry. This smells like your grandma's basement. Or an old lady's house that's really, musty. I'm sorry if this video turns out really bumpy. I haven't used this phone. Well, actually, I used it when I was out in Oregon. So I got that. That's not bad. It just needs to be clean. I'll clean all these in my Sonic cleaner. That looks like that's broke. That'd be a good end piece to keep. These are actually knotted in between. We have this. Let it focus in on it. That's really pretty. I think it was an ear. No, it was a brooch. Oh yeah, it was a brooch. It's just missing the pin. That's pretty. Alright. So the total I spent on this was like $8 and something. That's actually got initials on it. Let me take it back here and see what it is. I don't know, when they scroll like that, it's hard to see. R or a J, then A, and then S. Ooh, it's marked on the inside of it. No, I'm not going to be able. It's marked right there. I know with this camera I'm not going to be able, maybe, to let you guys see. Let's see if I can get it to focus in on it. Sorry, I know I'm probably making you guys sick. Let me look at it and see what it's engraved. Genuine pewter. Made in Bolivia. That's neat. And then it's got a name, and the name is Lesnar D. Lesnard? We'll have to look that up. Lesnard pewter. That's not bad. Let's see what else we got. This is a necklace, I assume. A lot of wooden beads. Nothing wrong with that. Perfectly good. This needs to be cleaned. I used to film with this camera all the time, and I haven't done it for so long. I'm not used to it. Here is a little pendant. It's a heart. I got some fuzz. Come on, focus in. Let's see if that's magnetic. It's not magnetic. I can't feel it in my hand, so I'll have to test that. There's some earrings, interesting looking earrings in a bag. Ooh, that looks like a brooch, but it isn't. That's marked with a T, like the Trifari T. Almost. I think that's Trifari. It's marked with a T. Isn't that pretty? I don't know why it's jumping around like that. A stretch bracelet. Something piggybacking on it. Nothing wrong with that. Like I said, this stuff needs to be cleaned up. There's a little piece. Looks kind of old. It's pretty. This looks like a sweater clip almost. Oh, look at the shine off them rhinestones. It's a little brooch, like a double brooch. Looks old. It's a necklace. Unfortunately, there's a rhinestone missing right there. I'm trying to get it to focus. Sorry, guys. Nice. What else do we have? Ooh, these are some nice pieces somebody might like to put on something. Interesting. They're not magnetized. That doesn't mean anything. Nice little bracelet. Nothing wrong with that. You always have to check these really close, like right there. Sometimes they'll say have the mark there for sterling silver. I don't see any marks on this. It is magnetic, but it's just a decent bracelet. Oh, this has got a hang tag on it. Let's see. You guys can't see here. It's a perfectly good necklace. Little wear. Is there some wear? No, that's not wear. That's wear. That's just the where it pinches in. I don't know if there was wear on it, but there's not. But this has this is a toggle class has a hang tag on it. So who is this by? This is. Hold on, I gotta take it back here. OIA. Who's OIA? Toggle clasp. Nothing wrong with that bracelet at all. Oh, look, it's missing one right there, and right there, and right there. But, ooh, that was an old brooch. Two earrings that match. Nothing wrong with them. Absolutely nothing wrong with them. This works. This is a spring ring clasp. This is like hard. It's metal. That's a nice necklace. Nothing wrong with that. Ooh, brooch. Look, it's not missing anything. It's got the rhinestones. It's got the faux pearls. Oh, maybe it was supposed to have something right there. In the top of the crown. Well, I can put something there. I like it without it. Perfectly good brooch. I like it. Well, this was worth it. There's another brooch. C-class. Looks like somebody made it. Neat. Another crown. It must have been in the crowns. Okay, this looks like a charm. I'm sorry, guys. I don't know why that's jumping around like that. I even went to the settings to see if I could fix it. I don't know how to fix it. Probably not film anymore on this. This is a charm necklace. It's on a real long silver chain. And it's got all hearts on it. This heart's got rhinestones on it. There's nothing missing on it. Nothing wrong with that necklace either. That's missing one rhinestone. These would be perfectly good faux pearls. I assume they're faux pearls. Take apart and use. What do we got here? These are knotted in between. Are these real pearls? See how they're knotted in between? They're a broken strand. If you think I'm putting these on my teeth, you can have another thing coming because they are grody. And then these things I threw back there that were metal earrings, they're perfectly fine. Alright guys, I'm glad I bought this. $2.99 plus like $5.75 shipping, so not bad. I'll check this out. This bracelet that we found that says it's, what did I say? Lesnard? Genuine pewter, made in Bolivia? Huh. Alright, give me a thumbs up. I'm sorry for the boo-hoo-hoo for the video. I will talk to you guys later. Gotta go clean this jewelry now. Bye. Hi guys, I wanted to put this at the end of the video. Excuse me. I cleaned all this jewelry up. This is what I decided to keep. Some of it was too worn that it wouldn't even made good for a repurpose bag, so I got rid of it. But it cleaned up really well, so I've separated it into, from here over are pieces, from about here over are pieces that would be for in a repurpose slot. So let's take a look at those. They cleaned up really well. The smell did get out of it, so I'm happy about that. I'm not even going to try to zoom in. I'm just going to try to tilt the camera. So I took the chain off this piece because I have another piece in this shape that would make for good resale for someone who's making a necklace. They could put that on a necklace piece. Then these three pieces I kept. They're together, but you could take them apart. Maybe mix them in. This, I can picture this in a really pretty, like, put on a bracelet and then put those colored beads around it. The end is broke, so you could use these beads, you could use these beads, harvest the rhinestones out of this. And they also have some, this bracelet has a nice ending clasp on it. These are two brooches. It's missing one rhinestone in the back, but you could do something with that. This brooch is, it's that crown brooch. It's just missing something right there. You can put a little jewel in your crown. You'll be fine. This was a brooch and it's just missing the back of it. These two little pieces, one was made into an earring, the other one didn't have the hook on it, so I just took off the hooks. And you can put them back as an earring, or they could be little pendants. These are not glass beads. I thought they were. They're just hard plastic. I couldn't tell through my gloves. This is beautiful if you just want to replace that. What is it missing? Just one rhinestone. I think it's missing maybe two. One, two. I think that makes a really pretty antique looking necklace. And then these were earrings, but one of the French hooks was put on there wrong, so I just took them off, and somebody could use these for whatever they want to. And then this was a brooch, but it's really pretty, not missing any rhinestones that I can see. You can make it back into a brooch, or you could take it and turn it into something else. All you creative people. Now, this stuff over here, I'll move this stuff over. This stuff over here is stuff that I could just sell on its own. I have this little pendant, which I tested for see if it was silver, and it's not. It's a little puffer heart engraved pendant. So I'll be selling that. And then this I have not looked up. I told you what it was marked on the beginning of the video. This has that T on it, and I am like almost 100% sure that from my research on Crown Trifari that this is a Crown Trifari pendant. I took it off of everything that had on it. See how it has that capital T right there? If somebody knows, I'm pretty sure that's not Crown Trifari, but just Trifari. That's their T. Sometimes they just use the T. I have information on my computer. I can look it up. This is a piece that you could use. Somebody could just use as a pendant. It's got, if you can see, it's got the round things here. So all you people who make jewelry know, when I say things, you know what they're really called. So we got these interesting looking earrings. Pierced earrings. I think those are really neat looking. I could sell those. This little silver tone bracelet can be sold on its own. This is a charm necklace that cleaned up really well. It's not missing any rhinestones. It's on a long silver tone chain that is in good shape. This necklace is in perfect shape. It is just a faux pearl looking necklace. Has a spring ring clasp on it. This is a really interesting. I'm gonna try to put this camera down and show you this. It goes like this, and then you open it. See how it is? And then I noticed it said right here, made in Hong Kong. I couldn't tell that when I was on video. So I think that's an interesting stretch bracelet. I'll sell that on its own. It goes back together. And so I have all this to sell on its own, and then this would go into a repurpose bag. If you're interested in anything you see on this video, let me know. I'll shoot you a price by piece, or we can group all this together. I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching my videos. If you haven't subscribed on there, hit that subscription button. I'm getting really close to 1,000. And if you want to know when I upload videos or go live, hit that bell down there. Thanks, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.